How to make your own shirt in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your own shirt in Roblox. First, you will need an account with a premium membership, which is required to upload the shirts, an image editing program as well, and the official Roblox shirt template. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, design your shirt, and after that you need to upload your shirt to Roblox. For that, tap on the create button in the top of the screen. Now go to shirts. For that, you need to go to my creations, then choose a file to upload and name your shirt. After entering all the information, tap on upload and wait for the moderation, which can take about few minutes to few hours. So you will need Roblox Premium to upload custom clothing. Now you can go to the avatar page, find your uploaded shirt and clothing, then enable the item for the sale and set a price, which is the Robux, and then tap on save. That's it. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.